अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर रिएक्शन वीडियो। गाइस, आज हम एक वीडियो रिएक्शन करते हैं साउथ अफ्रीका वीएस न्यूजीलैंड हाईलाइट्स। इसके बारे में आज एक वीडियो रिएक्शन करते हैं। आप भाइयों और बहनों से गुजारिश है कि वीडियो पूरा वॉच करें, बहुत इंटरेस्ट होने वाली है। तो बिना वेस्ट के टाइम चलते हैं अपनी मौजू की तरफ।
Right. Probably South Africa won't mind batting first with it. Yeah, I mean, the stats suggest the way. I think it's a decent batting surface, although probably a little bit slower than what we saw a couple of days ago.
पहला बॉल मिस किया।
It's possibly the one thing that Quinton de Kock has not had great success. Well, that'll help. That is one of the very few
चौका
drivable
मार लिया
deliveries
भाई
they've had
ने।
in the last 20 balls. And picks the gap again. If anything, even better than the previous shot. So Bavuma up, ABA.
ओहो, फिर से चौका।
That is even more inventive. He
छक्का
made a
मार
couple
लिया।
of classic cover drives, but he's obviously got his eye in here. Now he finds the gap.
चौका
Shot the boundary, but quick
फौरन
outfield.
Down the leg side and 4 runs for Bavuma.
Second.
ओहो,
Racing across this fast outfield. Yet another boundary to the name of Temba Bavuma.
ओ कैच पकड़ लिया।
Edged
दे
and
कट
gone.
आउट।
Finally the breakthrough, and it's
Waiting for the front on camera angle, please.
आउट।
just edging.
चौका मार
Nicely
लिया
played by
फौरन।
Rassie van der Dussen. He's just rolled his wrists and got that across the boundary for 4.
Tim Southey has been met.
फौरन चौका मार लिया।
Well, there's nothing circumspect about that.
ओ
That
भाई
is the
छक्का
final
मार
shot
लिया।
you'll wish to see. Well, I think it's safe. It is safe. It landed
Aggressive against him.
lovely touch.
चौका।
Got nice and low and really only had to help it on its way.
ओ
That is
उड़ा दिया।
ease,
छक्का, फिर से छक्का
eased
मार
into the
लिया।
crowd. Few people make it look that easy. Oh,
फुल
this
टास
is one.
दिया। फिर से छक्का।
That's a loosener if ever I've seen one. Ratchin
Gives himself some room.
He's been looking for that, and he's found it.
Third time lucky. Listen, and something he definitely won't want to continue. But that's
ओहो,
beautifully played. The placement on that sublime. Had to thread it through the two of them. It wasn't a big gap, and did it with. I think he's put that in the gap, and he'll pick up the boundary. So that's the shot through the onside I was talking about a little while ago.
चौका मार लिया।
4 runs from Quinton de Kock.
ओ कीपर के पीछे मार लिया चौका।
That's the way he's going to play, Quinton de Kock, and he gets the reward.
चौका मार
He
लिया।
wants it to, but he'll still get the boundary. He's going to rise, smile, and catch it. That will fall short. And good work. That's a good shot from Quinton de
चौका।
Kock. He knows they've got to get a move on.
Just.
Just for a moment, I thought Quinton de
चौका
Kock was
मार
in
लिया।
trouble, but he's got it.
ओ हाथ लगे से
Run out maybe? No. Just not happening.
हाथ टूट गया भाई।
Heaves it through the onside, and that will beat Devon Conway into the fence.
He gave himself room early, did find it.
ओ उड़ा दिया।
Now this is a
ओ
catching
कैच हो
chance,
गया।
is it? Yes, no. Down it goes.
फिर से उड़ा
Goes
दिया।
big. Goes
फिर से
big.
उड़ा दिया।
He gets
छक्का।
6. It's 1, 2, 3,
ओ
4
भाई साहब।
for Quinton de Kock. He's signed. And that'll help.
फौरन
That will help indeed.
Yeah, it was premeditated.
More of those won't help their
चौका।
cause though. That's just stand and deliver stuff.
Yeah, just over 2 overs to.
Be interesting.
नॉट आउट।
That's Absolutely fantastic. That is so clever.
Yeah, I like the field because it's a big boundary that he's put all his...
That's a good shot. And that takes Van der Dussen into the 90s.
Yeah, it's the pace on.
Out. Finally get rid of
वो
Van der
कट आउट हो गया।
And it is Glenn Phillips with a safe pair of hands. And of course he's a left hand.
ओ भाई
Little touch was
क्या
there
चाहो
first up. Tom Latham thinks so. He went.
Tried, no bat involved.
डेड बॉल हो
stay
गया
with your not out decision.
तो क्या आउट नहीं हुआ था 100 रन
Beat them both. I tell you,
Probably the one that hasn't really put the foot down as much in this tournament.
good hit, really good hit.
चौका
Needed to be and was.
ओ भाई
Oh no!
छक्का मार लिया
Trent Bolt.
फिर से उड़ा दिया
There you go. There it
छक्का
goes. 6 more.
6
And the charge is on from South Africa. That is a biggie. Don't worry about that. Someone in the crowd might grab it. They don't. They shell it. Oh, he goes over mid-off instead. Make that 6, number
छक्का
77.
फिर से
A world record in World Cups by South Africa. Oh, that's long as well. That's 6 more.
छक्का मार
Each
लिया फिर
reigning
से भाई
defence, the 300
बहुत अच्छा
comes
खेल
up
रहा
for
है
South Africa.
iPad.
सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार।